Today we are going to learn how we choose the job origin. In our previous class, we have already discussed the coordinate system of CNC turning center, and which one is z-axis, which one is x-axis, and how do we determine the positive direction of either of them. That we discussed earlier class. So today, let's see how we choose the job origin. So job is fixed here on the chart, and for turning operation, first thing is we have to fix the reference time. That means we need to know the origin point, so that with respect to origin, we can write the different distances or different coordinates or tool points. So usually the center of the face of the job is chosen as the job origin. But the difficulty is we cannot move this tool directly to this center, because that will be arbitrarily chosen. If we move this tool manually toward that side and then finally try to touch the center, we cannot ensure that that touching point itself is the center, exactly geometric center of this job face. So how do we ensure that? So for that we have a technique which would automatically fix the job origin exactly on the geometric center of this job face. So let's see. First is, suppose this is the job. So here, for example, let's assume that this finger is the tool, cutting tool. So if we gradually move this towards this job face, say toward this side, and touch at any point on the job face. So this is the job face. So if you touch at any point on the job face, the value of z will be 0. Anywhere on the job face, the z value will be 0, because z would start from here toward that side it is positive, toward this side it is negative. So here on this plane, anywhere the z value will be 0. So touch this cutting tool at any point on the job face and then make the z value 0. So z is 0, it is fixed. Next thing is x value. So withdraw the tool, then move the tool towards the lateral surface of the job and then touch at any point. So if you touch this at this point, with respect to the center, it is actually the radial distance. But in our this software configuration, the whatever software is applied along with the hardware system, it is so specified that in place of the radial value, we have to put the diametral value. That means if we write the diameter value, the software will automatically make it half. That means it will take actually the radial value. So if we touch this lateral surface of the job and write x value as the diameter of this job, so it will automatically make it half. That means radius value. Say suppose this diameter is 20 millimeter. So if we touch this job surface and write x equal to 20, that means the software automatically makes it 10. That means the radial distance, and that is plus 10. And plus 10 means this point, at this point. So where it will be 0? If it is 10 here, then it will be plus 9, plus 8, plus 7. In that way, somewhere here it will be 0. X will be 0. And then x equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on, negative side toward that side. So positive these toward this side. So in that way you can choose the x value as origin. So once again, in a nutshell we can say, touch the job face, make the z value 0, touch the lateral surface and make the x value diameter.